In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a Confluence table. Resizing tables might seem like a small thing, but it makes a big difference in how easy your pages are to read. When your columns are too narrow, your text looks squished. If they're too wide, you waste space and the page feels unbalanced. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to adjust your table layout so your content looks clean and professional. First, start by opening the Confluence page that contains the table you want to resize. You can do this from your Spaces sidebar, from a recent pages list, or by using the search bar. The key here is to make sure you're on the correct page that already has the table you're planning to adjust. Once the page is fully loaded, just scroll until you can clearly see the table on the screen. Next, you'll need to switch the page into edit mode. Look towards the top of the page for the edit button. Depending on your version of Confluence, this might appear as a pencil icon or a button labeled Edit. Click that and the page will open in the editor, allowing you to make changes to the content. If you don't see the edit option, you may not have permission to modify the page, so you might need to contact someone who manages access. Once you're in edit mode, click directly on the table itself. You can click on any cell inside the table. The goal is to activate the table so that Confluence shows you the handles and lines you can adjust. When the table is selected, you should notice that the borders and column dividers become more defined, indicating that the table is ready for editing. Now, to resize the table columns, move your cursor over the vertical line between two columns. When you're in the right spot, your cursor will change to indicate that the line is draggable. Click and hold that line, then drag it left or right to adjust the width of the column. As you drag, you'll see the column resize in real time, so you can fine-tune it based on how much text or content is in each column. If you're working with multiple columns, repeat this on any other dividing lines until the table layout feels balanced and easy to read. When you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to save or publish your changes so the resized table is visible to everyone.